Hey, I'm Kevin and I'm going to record here today for What's Cooking for Dinner. Today we're going to cook a tri-tip roast, and with this I've got the other ingredients. I'll also show you them through some pictures here in just a second. But let's go ahead and follow that process of how I'm going to do that. I've got my own little seasoning. I don't follow anyone's seasoning necessarily. I've just got my own way of doing it. So let's start that. We're going to use a crock pot today. Alright, this is where we're going to work at. I've got my crock pot right here. You can't see me that well because the way the camera is to see everything. But I've got the crock pot, I've got the roast, I've got an onion I'm going to cut up, baby carrots, and some potatoes I'm going to put in here. And that's what we're going to put in this recipe. So, let's go. And I have already washed my hands. So I went ahead and threw that in the crock pot, and I'm going to wash my hands again because of the fact that I did touch raw meat. Now I'm going to get some seasonings. Go. While I'm putting these in, I'm just going to make sure that they're not any damages or anything on them, or nasty looking, anything like that. And I'm not dicing it. I'm just gonna open it like this and put it in there. So, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just gonna open it. I just want the onion flavor in there. And yeah, I did put the onion seasoning or the onion powder in there, but I like the onion flavor. If you ever watch me cook pinto beans, I would also do it. I'd also do lots of onion in there as well. I'm going to put some water in there. Once I put some water in there, I'll turn it on low and we'll let it cook throughout the day. I'm just going to put enough water in here so I can see it. As you can see, it's about right there. And with that, I'm going to call that good. I'll get the top put on, lock it down. Lock it down, and it's on low. Thank you guys, and I'll show you more whenever it gets ready.